morning students. I am Dr. Rajesh Kumar again present in front of you my YouTube channel with Engineering Mathematics Laplace Transform. We can say that this lecture is 8th lecture. We discuss how to solution of differential equations with the help of Laplace transform. You can solve the differential equation in various methods. For example, variable separation method, exact differential equation, variation parameter method, and etc. This problem solved by the inverse Laplace transform or Laplace transform, both used in this topic. We can first taking the Laplace transform of differential equation. After then, the last step is we can take the inverse Laplace transform of this equation. Then after the solution get of this differential equation. Let's start this topics. Solution of differential equation by the Laplace transform. We know that Laplace of y equal to represent by y bar. If we take the Laplace of y, we represent the y bar, and Laplace of dy over dx equal to represent s y bar minus y0, and Laplace of d2y over dx2 equal to s square y bar minus s y0 minus y dash 0, and Laplace of dqy over dx3 equal to x cube y bar s square y0 minus s y dash 0 minus y double dash 0, and so on. We can find the all differential equation the Laplace transform. We learn it only 3. All the formula of this method is cube differential equation third order. We write the place of this equal to this. So let me start. These formula are learned by you. Using the Laplace transform solution of the initial value problem question number first. We start the question number first. No proof of this formula, only you learn this formula by the book Engineering Mathematics. Question number first, y double dash minus 4y dash plus 4y equal to 64 sine of 2t. Number first, we can start taking Laplace transform both sides. Taking Laplace transform both sides. So Laplace of y double dash minus 4 Laplace of y dash plus 4 Laplace of y 64 Laplace of sine of 2t. We can discuss the formula of y double dash. It means d2y over dx2. Y double dash it means second order differential, and y dash single first order differential coefficient. So we can write the value of this in place of this s square y bar minus s by 0 or minus y dash 0 minus 4 y bar s y bar minus y0 plus only y 4 of y bar equal to 64 Laplace in transform of sine 2t 2 upon s square plus 2 square, where initial conditions are given by initial condition y0 equal to 0 and y dash 0 equal to 1. These conditions are given in questions. So putting these conditions in this step, s square y bar minus value of y0 will be 0 minus y dash 0 minus 1 minus 4 s y bar minus y0 0 plus 4y bar equal to 128 upon s square plus of 4 s square y bar minus 1 minus 4 s y bar plus 4y bar equal to 128 upon s square plus of 4. We can common the y bar in this term s square minus 4s plus of 4 and y bar and minus 128 upon s square plus 4 plus of 1. This is the s square minus 4s plus 4. A minus b to the whole square. It means s minus 2 whole square y bar equal to 128 upon s square plus 4 plus of 1. And send this term in RHS. Y bar equal to 128 upon s square plus 4 to the whole square. Sorry. S square plus 4 square and s minus 2 the whole square plus 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square. This is the value of y bar. This. Understand these questions only. The given question, taking Laplace transform both sides, write down the form of this and applying the initial condition y0 equal to 0 and y dash 0 equal to 1, then we get the value of y bar is this. This is not complete solution again. This is the value of y bar. We get the value of only y. So we take the inverse Laplace transform again both sides. Starting here, we take the Laplace transform and last we take the Laplace inverse transform. Please make a note. Taking inverse Laplace transform. Laplace inverse of y bar, Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 2 the whole square 128 upon s square plus 4 s minus 2 the whole square. Inverse Laplace of this. This is the value of simple, but change this question in the form of partial fraction. So we write Laplace inverse of y bar, Laplace inverse of 1 upon s minus 2 to the whole square plus 128 s square plus 4 and whole square. Direct again putting the value of this minus 8 upon s minus 2 plus 16 upon s minus 2 the whole square plus लास्ट आपका बचा 8s upon s square plus of 4. Y equal to Laplace inverse 1 upon value of this same 17 upon s minus 2 the whole square minus 8 upon s minus 2 plus 8s upon s square plus of 4. Inverse Laplace transform of this 17 by the transform property, first shifting property, e to the power 2t Laplace inverse 1 upon s square minus 8 e e to the power 2t plus 8 s upon s square plus 2 square cos of 2t. 17 e to the power 2t 1 upon s square 2 minus 1 factorial 2 minus 1 minus 8 e to the power 2t 8 or cos of 2t. 17 e to the power 2t into t minus 8 e to the power 2t plus 8 cos of 2t. This is value of y. We can see that when you solve the differential equation, come out in answer constant term C1, C2, C3 and C4. Here not present C1, C2, C3, C4 because the initial conditions are given y0 and this. These conditions are already find the value of C1, C2, C3. This is the complete answer of this question. Please make a note. All questions are important for the exam. I am complete the Laplace transform unit my YouTube channel. This is the second last topic. After this topic only single topic are remaining. Okay, how to solve the simultaneous equations by the Laplace transform. And next question, question number second. Given solve this differential equation by the Laplace transform. d2y over dx2 plus y equal to sine of 3t and initial conditions are given y0 y dash 0 equal to 0. We can discuss in previous questions taking Laplace transform both sides, taking Laplace transform both sides. So Laplace d2y over dx2 plus Laplace of y equal to Laplace of sine of 3t. Value of this s square y bar minus sy0 or minus y dash 0 plus y bar equal to Laplace of this 3 upon s square plus 3 upon s square plus 3a upon s square plus a square. Applying the initial condition y0 y dash 0 both are 0. This value will be 0. S square y bar plus y bar equal to 3 upon s square plus of 9. S square plus 1 and y bar equal to 3 upon s square plus of 9. Then y bar 3 upon s square plus 9 and s square plus of 1. We can break in this function by the partial fraction, by the help of partial fractions. Break this question. Y bar 3 by 8 you do in your copy, but I am write this for indirect 1 upon s square plus 1 and 1 upon s square plus of 9. We can solve this, we get the value of this. So again, taking inverse Laplace transform. Laplace inverse of y bar 3 by 8, Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 1 minus Laplace inverse of 1 upon s square plus 3 square. This is the value of y and 3 upon x. Laplace inverse 1 upon s plus 1 upon a sin t. It means 1 upon a 1 sin of t minus 1 upon 3 or sin of 3t. Multiply 3 by 8 and 3 by 8 sin of t minus 1 by 8 sin of 3t. This is the required answer of this question. So I hope all students understand easily how to solve the differential equation by the help of Laplace transform. Simple, easy to be solve of this question. I have complete Laplace transform and inverse Laplace transform my YouTube channel. This unit is complete, only last lecture is remaining. Only topic is simultaneous differential equation solve the with the help of by the Laplace transform. Only single topic is remaining. So that's all in this video. Next topic discuss in next video. If you, I request you, if you new viewer in my YouTube channel, so please subscribe my channel and likes and shares your friends. Thanks for watching the video.